Araw-araw parehas. Gising, trabaho, laban. Minsan pagod, minsan hirap, pero hindi tayo tumitigil. Hey! Woy! Woy! Brrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr katawan pero hindi sumusuko. Kahit mabigat ang pasan, tuloy ang takbo, walang reklamo. Tahimik lang sa gilid habang ang iba'y tulog, ako'y kumakayod pa rin. Hindi nila alam ang hirap ng daan, nakikita lang nila kung nasaan ka ngayon. Hindi nila nakita ang pawis at sugat bago mo narating ang konting liwanag. Minsan gusto ko nang bumitaw, pero may dahilan kung bakit lumalaban. Para sa pamilya, para sa pangarap. Pagod, pero tuloy ang laban. Pagod, pero buo ang tapang. Kahit mabigat ang pasan, hindi bibitaw sa pangarap. Pagod, pero abante pa rin. Malayo sa pamilya, malayo sa tahanan, bit-bit ang pangarap sa banyagang lupain. May mga gabing tahimik akong umiiyak, pero sa umaga, ngiti pa rin ang hawak. Bawat sahod may nakalaan para sa anak at mahal sa buhay. Kahit minsan kulang para sa sarili, mas mahalaga na sila'y may maayos na buhay. Hindi madali ang buhay na pinili, pero wala ring madaling tagumpay sa mundo. Kaya kahit ilang beses pang madapa, babangon pa rin